John Rawls' Theory of Justice, 1971, is a seminal work in political philosophy that presents a comprehensive and systematic approach to understanding justice. Rawls' theory focuses on distributive justice, aiming to determine the most just and fair way to distribute society's resources, benefits, and burdens. Asterisk main arguments, asterisk. 1. Asterisk original position. Asterisk Rawls introduces the concept of the original position, where individuals choose the principles of justice behind a veil of ignorance, unaware of their personal characteristics, social status, or position in society. 2. Asterisk social contract. Asterisk Rawls argues that justice is the result of a hypothetical social contract, where individuals agree to the principles of justice that would be fair and reasonable for all. 3. Asterisk to principles of justice. Asterisk. Asterisk the principle of equal basic liberties. Asterisk all citizens have equal rights to basic liberties, such as freedom of speech, religion, and association. Asterisk the difference principle. Asterisk social and economic inequalities are justified only if they benefit the least advantaged members of society. 4. Asterisk distributive justice. Asterisk Rawls advocates for a distributive justice system that prioritizes the well-being of the least advantaged, ensuring that everyone has access to basic needs and resources. 5. Asterisk critique of utilitarianism. Asterisk Rawls rejects utilitarianism, arguing that it neglects individual rights and dignity, and instead prioritizes overall happiness or well-being. Unitarianism challenge Rawls' views on justice and distribution. 3. Asterisk global justice. Asterisk Rawls' theory has been criticized for its focus on domestic justice, neglecting global inequalities and international justice. Asterisk influence and legacy. Asterisk. 1. Asterisk political philosophy. Asterisk Rawls' theory has shaped political philosophy, influencing debates on justice, equality, and democracy. 2. Asterisk economics and policy. Asterisk Rawls' ideas have informed policy discussions on poverty reduction, social welfare, and economic inequality. 3. Asterisk global development. Asterisk Rawls' theory has inspired development initiatives focused on global justice and human well-being. In conclusion, Rawls' theory of justice provides a foundational framework for understanding justice, equality, and distribution. While it has faced criticisms and challenges, its influence on political philosophy, economics, and policy continues to be significant. Asterisk key concepts. Asterisk. 1. Asterisk justice as fairness. Asterisk Rawls defines justice as fairness, emphasizing the importance of fair distribution and equal opportunities. 2. Asterisk primary goods. Asterisk Rawls identifies primary goods, such as basic rights, liberties, and resources, as essential for human well-being and dignity. 3. Asterisk social justice. Asterisk Rawls focuses on social justice, addressing the distribution of resources and benefits within society. Asterisk criticisms and debates. Asterisk. 1. Asterisk critiques of the original position. Asterisk some argue that the original position is unrealistic or that it neglects important aspects of human nature. 2. Asterisk alternative theories. Asterisk other theories, such as Robert Nozick's libertarianism or Michael Sandel's communitarianism,